Stepping into more flow. We're going to be covering an exercise in this video that will help you get out of that doubt and worry between when you're going to actually get your manifestation and when you think about it and intend it, right? That gap, that timeline between now and when you actually receive it. We're going to go through a technique that will blow you away on staying in more flow. Because some of us, when we're trying to manifest, we are putting out great intentions, we're putting out great goals, but between now and actually receiving it, we're guessing so much on how it's going to come. Where's it going to come from? When's it going to come? How are things going to play out? There's no way I'm going to get this, right? The monkey mind goes crazy. So one of the techniques today that we cover in this video will really help you stay in that flow. Hey, Scott Houck here, and just before we jump into our flow video, make sure you throw a like on this video, because as you do so, the YouTube algorithm starts to get that out to more people. And we're just trying to help more and more people think more positively and change their life. And I know that you're on that same page. So let's support more and more people together so we can raise the consciousness of this planet. Make sure also subscribe to the channel, because we send out a lot of manifestation how-to content. And if you want to look into coaching, teaching this material, you love it, personal development, self-help material, life coaching, you really feel possibly a calling to help people, to serve people. You want to build a freedom-based lifestyle where you're maybe a laptop entrepreneur and you can work from anywhere in the world. You can create unlimited freedom. You can create unlimited wealth with the possibilities that we have now with an online capability of online business. You want to do something like that, helping and serving and loving what you do. Maybe think about getting into our Certified Manifestation Coach certification program. Okay, so in the description below, go ahead and fill out an application and also book a call with my team and see if this is a good fit for you. All right, so what's this technique that we're talking about, inducing more flow? It's called giving credit to the universe. So what tends to happen is I'm trying to manifest something into my life, a chunk of money, a sale, a client, a thing, whatever it is, right? And I write it down in the present tense. I might even use some scripting on it. I might even use some journaling on it where I write it down. Or I'm just thinking about it. Or I've heard before, right, you have the goal card and you read it out loud over and over and over again, right? You might have heard that kind of thing. So you have the idea in mind. But if the intention and desire that you want doesn't feel fun, doesn't feel great to think about, doesn't feel like a positive energy when you're thinking about it, you're actually repelling the thing from you. Because it's all about your feeling. And the feeling, if you're feeling excited about it, you're going to have the present feeling that it's almost here or it's here. If you don't, you're going to feel the absence feeling. You're going to feel like it's frustrating and irritating because it's not here yet, right? And when we're in that, we're repelling. We're literally putting out a force, if you will, where I am keeping it away from me, and instead I'm attracting in circumstances showing me that I'm close but not close enough. I'm almost there but I'm not there yet, right? So I want to get into this more presence feeling. So what do you do in this time frame between when you intend it and when you actually receive it physically? You want to step into more flow by giving credit to the universe. What you do is actually start going around your home, your office, your car. When you're driving and you're around your city or local town or whatever it is, you want to give credit to the universe, okay? I give credit to you, universe, for creating this beautiful system of human beings that have created all these roadways and homes and commerce and business and all this stuff. I give credit to you, universe, for the level of success in my life so far. I give credit to you, universe, for bringing all this beautiful food and clean water into my home so that I may enjoy it, nourish my body, and nourish my family's bodies as well, right? So what am I doing? It's like an art of gratitude, if you will, but a little bit different. I'm giving credit to the universe, credit to the energy that is actually what helped aid me to get the thing. So you're really getting your ego aside, because a lot of people with a large amount of ego say, heck no, it wasn't the universe. It was me. I worked my butt off for that. I worked 20-hour days for the last 20 years in order to get that. I did it, right? And that's a very ego place, and that's what keeps them out of the alignment with the universe, because they feel it's just them. They're a human being. They're living in this physical body. They're only here with this physical, stuff around me. But there's no energy stuff around me. The universe isn't real. It's not helping anybody. In fact, I asked for my manifestation a week ago and it hasn't came. So the universe is actually trying to deliberately withhold it from me, right? So this is the thinking that allows us to get out of flow. It's called resistance. We're in resistance and we're not actually having things move the way we want to, right? So what we want to do is get that ego out of the way. Ego is there not in a bad way. Ego is just there to protect us, okay? So it's actually a good thing to have some ego. It's a good thing to balance that in with this world. We're not trying to get rid of ego forever. It's there to help protect us, right? But we don't want it to control our thinking. We don't want it to control how we're doing things. We don't want it to control our behavior, okay? It's just an awareness thing, right? So we put that aside a little bit more. We become hyper aware. And what we want to do is start saying and understanding, the universe is in me. I am the universe. And all the other people out here, they're all part of the universe as well. If we're all one energy and we're one being and we're all one, then I can surely give credit for all the things around me. Because what am I doing? I'm increasing me. I'm increasing my energy. I'm increasing my appreciation for who I am when I'm giving credit to the universe. So you don't see the universe as like a separate entity that's out there and, you know, some god on a cloud that's victimizing people and starting wars and doing all these things. That's not what's going on. That's a human condition. That's human belief, right? But what we do is we go within and we say, I am the universe, so why not give credit to the universe because we are one. And if we are one, it will allow us to stay in that appreciation, which allows us to align more with the universe, which will speed up my manifestation from coming in. Because the universe is the source of where it's going to come from in the first place, right? So if I'm more in harmony with that, I'm in tune with the infinite. As I'm in tune with the infinite, I will allow myself to actually experience more and more better results in my life, okay? Try this exercise out. You'll see a marked improvement, marked difference in 7 days alone. You'll feel better, you'll feel more in flow, and I promise you, you'll have something happen, a serendipitous thing, a coincidental thing, you know, a divine timing thing happen in your life in 7 days. Like on all my videos, I always say keep accountability in the comment section below. Do this for 7 days. Once you've done it for maybe 5-10 minutes, 3 different times throughout the day, giving credit to the universe. Ultimately, you want this to be a practice, but just try it out for about 5 to 10 minutes, really 3 times a day, okay? And once you've done that, say day 1 complete in the comments below, day 2 complete in the comments below. Keep accountability. Accountability is going to be everything to keeping you consistent and bringing those predictable results in. So in the comment section below, I'd love to see those 7 days and you'll see improvement happening right away.